Hey, are you holding XRP? I am too. Are you part of the XRP army? Same here. So here's the big question. Why is XRP still not going up? I really want to know what you think. Drop your opinion in the comments right now before you keep watching. Seriously, pause the video, write what you think is holding XRP back. I love seeing what everyone's thinking because thousands of you are going to watch this. All right, let's talk about what's going on. The entire crypto market's down again, around 62%, sitting just below 3.7 trillion. We're still stuck in that fear zone on the Fear and Greed Index. And when you look at the 24-hour chart, it's just a sea of red. Everything's down 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5%. So yeah, not exactly party time in crypto land right now. Now, why is XRP not moving? I think there isn't just one reason. It's a mix of things. Some people are scared. Some are uncertain. Some just don't have the extra cash to invest because inflation is eating away at everything. And here's another big thing. A lot of retail investors walked away from crypto back in late 2024. They pulled out massive amounts of money, hundreds of billions of dollars. And when that retail crowd leaves, it drags the market down with it. Where did that money go? A lot of it flowed into AI and tech stocks because those are booming right now. Everyone's chasing that next big thing. So yes, some of that liquidity left crypto and went there. But that's not the whole story. There's also fear around what the Federal Reserve is doing, trade wars, global tension. It all adds up. But if I had to sum it up in one word, sentiment. The excitement just isn't there right now. People aren't hyped about crypto, and when people aren't excited, they don't invest. You and I care. We're here, we're watching XRP videos, we're in the trenches. But the average investor? They're just waiting and watching. Here's the crazy part. We should be in a bull run right now. Historically, November and December are strong months. Technical analysts, smart people, everyone's scratching their heads wondering, why isn't this thing moving? And honestly, no one really knows. We can talk about the Fed, inflation, global events, whatever, but deep down, there's no single clear answer. If you could interview millions of investors and ask, why aren't you buying crypto right now? You'd get a million different reasons. So, what do? We wait. We ride it out. Right now, it's like we're in a sailboat with no wind. The water's calm, the sails are up, but nothing's moving. The question is, what's going to bring that wind back? When the market finally turns green, when Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and others start climbing again, you'll see retail investors come rushing back. That's just how it always goes. They'll chase those green candles, while we've already been here, stacking our XRP and waiting. What will trigger the next move? Nobody knows for sure. Maybe it's a global event, maybe it's a market shift, or maybe it's just time. But one thing's certain. It will move again. It always does. And when it does, those of us who stayed will be the ones smiling. Now, before I wrap this up, if you're looking to make some smart moves while waiting for XRP to wake up, check this out. There's a piece of software I use. It costs about $1 a day, and it tells you when to buy and when to sell. Works on iPhone and Android. Here's what's cool. It recently flagged a few buy alerts that turned into massive gains. For example, one coin jumped over 130% in just 9 days after a buy signal. That's $1,000 turning into $2,360. Not bad, right? It even gives sell alerts so you don't get stuck holding during drops. It's $1.15 a day, less than a cup of coffee or a pack of gum. Plus, it's got a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So really, there's zero risk to try it. I've also got live weekly coaching set up for members. Links are in the description below. Check them out after the video. All right, my fellow XRP holders, hang in there. I know it's been frustrating, but this quiet stage never lasts forever. Stay patient, stay focused, and remember, when the market wakes up, the rewards go to the ones who didn't give up.